How to install a Metro prepaid electric sub-meter. You need to get a local electrician to install the electric prepaid meters according to regulations. Firstly, take off the cover of the electric sub-meter by removing the screws, then put it aside. Then loosen all the screws on each terminal. Next, connect the first wire, which is live, that's the brown cable, and screw it in the terminal of the electric sub-meter, ensuring the cable is tight. Now connect the second wire, which is neutral, that's the blue cable, and screw it in the terminal of the electric sub-meter, ensuring the cable is tight. Then connect another neutral, that's blue, to the terminal of the sub-meter and ensure it is tight by screwing it in properly. The last wire to be connected to the terminal is another live, that's brown cable, also ensuring it is screwed tightly on the electric sub-meter. So, from the main distribution board, there will be the live and neutral wire from the main breaker. Then to the sub-unit, there will be also the live and neutral wire on an additional breaker. The sub-consumer unit will also illustrate where the breaker connects to plugs, lights and appliances. Should there be any problems, it acts as a safety mechanism and the breaker will trip instead of the electrical sub-meter. Once you are done with the wiring and they are secure, put the cover back on over the terminal of the electric sub-meter and ensure it is also tightly screwed on. Switch the power on, check the connection and ensure the electric sub-meter works. Punch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the sub-meter and then press enter, that's the blue button. This will activate the tamper switch and unlock the Metro prepaid electric sub-meter. The electricity supply is now active and your consumer unit, lights, plugs and appliances will be able to work once you have bought the Metro code at any PayPoint outlet or online. You will also get seals with it to ensure that tenants do not tamper with the sub-meter. And that is how a sub-meter installation works.